It started. Go, yeah. Right. Be careful. Gotta do this fast. Oh shit. Wait, do it fast. Alright, shake it up.
It exploded my hand.
Watch it. Do you think it got through the package yet? It doesn't look like it did yet. It's super thick.
Should I throw it or?
I don't know. Just keep shaking it until it gets through the package, because eventually the cap's just gonna like explode off when it gets through the package of Mentos.
I don't think it's gonna work. I think it's got through already.
Alright. We'll just throw it then. Oh my.